Nagiging trending na sa mga smartphones yung maninipisan lang ang kanyang build. At syempre, hindi papahuli si Nubia doon because this is the Nubia Air. Sobrang nipis lang na itong smartphone na to. It only has a 5.9mm na thickness. Grabe, ang sarap niyang hawakan guys. Pero kahit na manipis siya, no, matibay at quality pa rin yung kanyang build. It has an IP69 water and dust resistance, and yung sa kanyang screen naman, merong coating na Gorilla Glass 7i. Kahit hindi nyo siya babyhin, okay lang din. And when it comes to quality naman, ang lupit ng display nito kasi meron na siyang AMOLED display with 120Hz na refresh rate. Sobrang smooth guys, grabe. 50 plus 20 megapixels ang kanyang camera, 5G ang connectivity, at meron na rin siyang 5,000 mAh na battery. Kahit na manipis lang siya guys, ang tindi, grabe. Magiging available itong Nubia Air sa darating na November 8 to 9 sa upcoming event ni Nubia, which is the Nubia Vibe Fest 2025. Gaganapin to sa New Gateway Mall 2, Quantum Skyview. At meron ding upcoming collaboration si Nubia kasama ang Coco Fresh Tea and Juice. You can enjoy milk tea, limited merch, freebies worth 2,000 pesos plus, raffle entries, at marami pang iba. And also, meron ding mga live performances nina Charlie Fleming, Ronnie Liang, Allen Ansay, Rabia Mateo, Kaya, First One, at marami pang iba. Kaya kung interested kayong bilhin to, pumunta na lang kayo sa event at i-follow nyo ang Nubia Philippines for more updates.